Out here enjoying the beautiful weather. Carter's looking for dinosaurs. And we're enjoying the beautiful weather, the views. I love springtime. Carter, what's your favorite flower?
My favorite is garnet.
Loving the trees. We're in Oak Glen, near Ukaipa. It's gonna be apple season. I think starting next month, right? Come out here. There's an area not too far from here where we can go apple picking. And also, I think somewhere over here, more apple picking. And there's a little restaurant over there. You can get really good barbecue sandwiches and potato salad. The best barbecue sandwiches, huh, babe?
Yep.
Look, Carter, more flowers. We have the apricot, mallow. All kinds. Okay, let's get away from the water so it doesn't spray us. Come on.
Oh.
Just so gorgeous out here. It's Los Rios Ranch, 157 acres.
Mom, I think I'm gonna try like to walk.
Come on, Carter.
And yep. And then what was the next one?
Looks like they have wood rats. Look, Carter.
No, not
A wood
10,
rat.
Because what's this one now? 100 million.
They live in the
There you go.
plants.
The
Come on.
10 and the 100 keep repeating and repeating. So when you get into the billions, it's 10 billion and 100 billion. And when you get into the billions, then it's
There's a little pond down here. Carter, you want to go look at the pond? What? Yeah. You gonna see dinosaurs? Maybe a fossil? Sounds like there's a lot of people over there. More trails over there. Maybe we'll see a fox. Last time we saw a fox. Remember the fox? Was he with us when we seen the fox?
I don't remember. Maybe.
Tons of butterflies and grasshoppers. The pond is over here. Let's go see the pond. Yeah, baby, the pond. I think it's that way. Straight ahead. Perfect weather for a little hiking adventure. There's roly-polies. A little bridge. Some water down there. Maybe there's frogs in there or something. Do you see frogs? Leopard lilies. Would you get a rock in your shoe?
Yeah.
Carter, do you see any frogs down there?
Yeah.
Maybe some tadpoles? Come on, let's stay on the trail. Over here. California rose. Stay away from the water.
What lives in there, Carter?
What lives in there?
Say fish. Fish live in there.
Is she floating here? Yeah. What is oh, Mom?
They got red willow.
What is this? Yeah.
Yeah.
A butterfly.
A butterfly. You see the butterflies? Come on.
This way, baby.
Come on.
You can see the bottom. The water's pretty clear.
Yeah, it is pretty clear.
Oh,
See
look at
some
the
fish.
You see a fish?
Little fish.
Mom,